This is how to make the smooth text pop in effect in Premiere Pro. So first, make sure your text is centered in the screen. Now select all the text captions and then go to the top left to graphics and titles. And then click on upgrade caption to graphic. This will allow us to animate the text. Now to create this text scale effect, you need to go to effects and then search transform. And then apply the effect to the first text layer. Now with the layer selected, go to effects controls. And then make sure you're at the start of the clip. Under transform, click on the stopwatch next to scale. And then set it to 70. Now move forward 7 frames by pressing the right arrow key 7 times. And then adjust the scale to 120. And we now got the scale effect. To make it smoother, you can select both keyframes, right click ease in and then select ease out. And to add motion blur, you need to increase the shutter angle to 360. Now to add this stretch effect to the text, you first need to align the playhead with the second keyframe. And then under the vector motion tab, uncheck uniform scale. Now click on scale width to create a keyframe and then set it to 110. Move forward 7 frames again and then reset the scale width. To make the stretch effect smoother, select both keyframes, right click ease in and then select ease out. To customize the stretch effect even further, you need to expand the arrow next to scale width. Now click on one of the keyframes to show these blue handles and then drag the right handle a bit to the left so that the stretch is a bit faster in the beginning and then slows down. This is what we got so far. To make this wave text effect, go to effects and search wave warp and then apply the effect to the first text layer. And in the effects controls, increase the wave width to around 400 and the wave height to around 4. Also decrease the wave speed to 0.7 and this is the current effect. To apply this effect to all text captions, you need to hold Ctrl and then select the wave warp, vector motion and the transform effect and then copy them by pressing Ctrl and C. Then go to the timeline and select the rest of the text layers and then paste the effects by pressing Ctrl and V. And if you want to resize all of the text layers, you can select all of them, then right click and select nest and click on OK. And you can now resize the text and move it around however you want.